Is airport stress stealing the joy from your travels before your trip even begins? While most travelers over 60 are stuck navigating long security lines, confusing terminals, and overpriced airport traps, a smarter group knows exactly how to avoid the chaos. These seasoned jet setters don't just survive airports, they master them. So what's their secret? In this video, we're revealing 11 genius airport hacks smart travelers over 60 swear by. Tips that'll help you skip the lines, breeze through checkpoints, and stay comfortable every step of the way. If you've ever wished air travel could feel effortless again, this is the video you've been waiting for. Luggage strategies that save headaches. Packing carry-on only is your first defense against airport chaos. No checked bag fees. No wasted time at baggage claim. Zero chance of missing luggage. And navigating cobblestone streets is infinitely easier without a massive suitcase. But what if carry-on isn't an option? When checking bags, position yourself in the line closest to the priority counter. Why? Those agents automatically pull people from there when finished with priority customers. Free upgrade. Always pack a survival kit in your personal item. A change of clothes, toiletries, medications, and essentials for 48 hours. And here's the game changer. Slip an Apple AirTag or Tile Pro into your checked bag. When the airline loses track, you'll know exactly where it is, turning the tables on the system. Security shortcuts. They don't advertise. Use lesser-known security checkpoints. Most major airports have multiple screening areas that savvy travelers use while everyone else piles into the main one. Check airport maps or apps to find these hidden pathways. Think that's clever? Here's better. Many airports now let you reserve a security time slot completely free. Programs like Clear Reserve allow scheduling your screening in advance, even without membership. Book online and walk past the lines when you arrive. For frequent travelers, invest in TSA PreCheck. Keep your shoes on, leave your laptop packed, and breeze through in minutes. For returning to the States, global entry is the ultimate time saver at customs. But here's what almost no one knows. Mobile passport control is free and lets you submit passport information electronically, then skip to the front of immigration lines. I've had times where MPC was faster than global entry. The pro move? Have both and choose the shortest line when you land. Rental car revolution. How many vacation hours have you lost standing in rental car lines only to get a vehicle you didn't choose and surprise fees? Here's how pros bypass this headache. Savvy travelers use Turo, the world's largest car-sharing marketplace. Choose exactly the car you want from over 1,400 makes and models. Skip those soul-crushing rental counters at hundreds of airports. Instead of waiting in line, coordinate with your host through the app. Many hosts deliver the car directly to your hotel or Airbnb. It's faster, more flexible, and eliminates one of travel's biggest hassles. Tech tricks that save the day. Ever panic when your phone won't load your boarding pass? Create multiple backup copies. Use your airline's app, save to your phone's wallet, take a screenshot, and print a paper copy. This simple preparation prevents massive stress when it matters most. Want another time saver? Stop standing in food lines before your flight. Most airport restaurants and coffee shops allow mobile ordering through their apps. Order while walking to your gate, then simply pick up when ready. But there's an even better solution. Many airports have dedicated apps or services like Grab or At Your Gate for ordering from multiple restaurants. 5 minutes of planning saves 30 minutes of line standing. Time better spent relaxing. Airport lounges, the hidden sanctuary. Those exclusive lounges aren't just for the rich and famous. There's a world of comfort, free food, drinks, Wi-Fi, and quiet spaces you can access without flying first class. Programs like Priority Pass unlock hundreds of airport lounges worldwide, some with showers and nap rooms, perfect for exhausting layovers. Here's a little-known lounge hack for seniors. Don't fly enough for a membership? Most lounges sell day passes at reasonable prices. Check for online discounts before booking, and ask about senior discounts, which can save up to 20% on day passes at many international lounges. the booking secret that protects your trip. Always book directly using a quality travel credit card. Why? Booking direct helps avoid hidden traps from third-party sites. Those deals often come with terrible service and zero flexibility if plans change. What most travelers don't realize, using the right travel card adds powerful protections. Cards like Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture X, or Amex Platinum include trip cancellation insurance that can save thousands if something goes wrong. Flight Disruption Defense Plan. When disaster strikes, will you know what to do? When your flight gets canceled, immediately open your airline's app and start rebooking. Every second counts as hundreds scramble for limited seats on alternative flights. Can't rebook through the app? Use the two-pronged approach. Head to the customer service desk while simultaneously calling the airline. It's every traveler for themselves, and your goal is getting rebooked as soon as possible. Now for the secret almost no one knows. Want to reach an agent faster? Call the airline's number for a different country. If dealing with a US airline, try their Canadian or UK line. While everyone floods the US number, you'll often reach someone much faster internationally. Parking strategy that saves hundreds. Those airport parking fees can reach $80 per day at major airports. Here's how to slash that cost while improving your experience. Park, sleep, fly packages. The hack that actually improves your travel day. Book a hotel near the airport that offers free or discounted long-term parking with a one-night stay. Stay the night before your flight and leave your car safely in their lot for your entire trip. On flight day, take the hotel's free shuttle to the terminal. The combined cost is often cheaper than airport parking alone for a week. Plus, you'll start with a peaceful night's sleep instead of a stressful pre-dawn drive. The seat selection secret. Did you know choosing the wrong seat can ruin your flight? Even within the same row in class, there are dramatic differences between seats. Tools like Seat Guru and SeatMaps.com provide detailed breakdowns of virtually every aircraft, highlighting pros and cons of each seat. For senior travelers, especially important. If you have mobility concerns, these tools help find seats with easier bathroom access, or those that don't require navigating steep stairs. Some aircraft offer senior-friendly seating options the booking sites never mention. Currency exchange. The insider's approach. Still exchanging money at the airport? Big mistake. Never exchange currency at airport kiosks. They offer the worst rates anywhere, charging up to 13% more than market rate. Use a no foreign transaction fee credit card for most purchases abroad, and withdraw local currency from ATMs as needed. The real money-saving secret. When using ATMs abroad, always decline the dynamic currency conversion that offers to charge in your home currency. This seemingly helpful option hides a terrible rate. Select local currency for your bank's much better rate. For senior travelers on fixed incomes, this alone can save enough for an extra nice dinner. The in-flight comfort kit. The final game changer is packing a dedicated in-flight survival kit. Long flights in economy can be brutal, but having a few strategic items within reach can completely transform your experience. What do seasoned travelers pack? For senior flyers especially, things like compression socks, a quality neck pillow, noise-canceling headphones, and even a travel-sized humidifier spray can be the difference between arriving refreshed or completely wiped out. What's one item you absolutely refuse to fly without? Let us know in the comments. We're always looking to add new hacks to our list. Hit the like button if these tips helped, and drop a comment with the one you're going to try next. Are you a senior traveler with your own airport trick? Share your wisdom below. We might feature it in an upcoming video. And don't forget to subscribe to Passport Pro for more insider travel secrets the tourism industry doesn't want you to know. Safe travels!